That's not exactly the best way to contour your nose. That's how you do it. Now on to cheeks contouring. And now it's time to create the perfectly winged eyeliner. Moving on to the brows. Pay attention to what we're doing. The difference between two sisters' makeup look techniques. I bet you'll never go wrong with these contouring ways. Blend it all out and then add concealer to highlight it. Cassie or Maddie? Which one is your favorite? Now I guess we can all agree that we love the lifting effect. Let's go back in time and bring looks from 2018 and 2000 together in one look. Quite different, right? Do you want your eyes to look big or small? Here's an idea for both of them. And there you have it. Selena and Hailey inspired makeup looks. Now the left side is the old B, whereas the right side is the new me. "10 years in between, but with all these changes on the makeup techniques. Love it though, both looks are cute. The reverse eyeliner look never looked prettier. Now check out how much the lip looks have improved. And all you need is makeup to make the lips look bigger. The Sisters Challenge is back and we love how both models look. Wrapping it up with a beautiful small and big eyes makeup tutorial.